Generally, I tell beginners to buy a brand new helmet, PFD, if they're going to be paddling the winter dry suit, because you don't know how people treat it. But if you're a little more experienced or you really know and trust someone that buys and sells gear, shout out to Don Beamer at Highwater Hobbies. I've bought and used helmets from him. I think I got both my rocker full face and my rocker non full face from him used because I know that he's not going to sell me something that shouldn't be used on the river. But most people, when they're getting in the sport, they might not know anyone like that can help them get quality gear. So they should buy new just to be safe because you don't know how people are treating it.